Hello everybody, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So when I saw this new MAC collection, I was like, I need it, I want it, I got it. I have been quite enthused about this little sort of comeback that I feel like MAC is making these days. I could be wrong, I don't know, but I also grabbed their other collection, which is a little bit older than this one. I still have to film that, but I wanted to get this out to you guys right away. And I'm probably not even saying it right, but it's this collection, the Aute Couture. Again, probably butchering that, but that's all right. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I'm trying to get this done because I have to return my camera and get this out to you guys right away. So there may not be like all the goody editing things that we usually do, but the important part is we're trying it. I also just stocked up on some of my favorite MAC brushes as well. And yeah, I hope that this is a good collection. We're going to find out and see. We're going to try everything on. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Tap that bell so you can be notified of all the new makeup and releases, because we do a lot of makeup here at Kendi Beauty and it's a good time. So let's get into this collection. I cannot wait. Okay, so there's actually not a lot of information on this collection. It just says, get a taste of Rosalia's effortlessly hot style. Spice up your look with an on-trend color collection full of flavor, fashion, and flair. I am assuming, okay, so she's a Viva MAC ambassador. She's she's an international superstar with unique flamingo pop and urban sound. All right, and so she's also a MAC Viva Glam ambassador. There is the eyeshadow times 10R, a palette of 10 rich, highly pigmented pressed powders in neutral and metallic shades, co-created by Rosalia, and this retails for $50. Then I also picked up the Extra Dimension Skin Vanish times 4 Art Picks in $60. It's a palette of 4 liquid powder highlighters co-created by Rosalia that gives a luminous, well-defined finish. Again, this retails for $60. So this is the Haute Couture lipstick. It retails for $21. There's 4 different shades. And then there's the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color Haute Couture starring Rosalia. That retails for $24. There's 4 shades in that. I grabbed the shade Pinky Nude, which is called Jalea, a limited edition liquid lipstick, and red and neutral shades with a velvety matte finish, co-created by Rosalia. All right, you guys, so let's get on to creating a beautiful look. I'm so excited about this collection. The swatches look so beautiful. I'm so glad I decided to pick this up. Some of the items I believe are already sold out. Okay, and here she is again. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Asafran. With my Sigma Cinderella brush. I've been beating the heck out of this brush lately. Seems like I've been using it like every single day. I just can't get enough of it. I'm just blending that out, trying to give it like an airbrushed up to the brow circles, dabbing it right back into the outer corner. Gotta give myself some dimension. Here we go again with the circles up into the crease. A little bit out. All right, now I'm gonna go in. Oh, what shade do I wanna do? I'm gonna start in with this shimmer shade called Malaza. Again, probably butchering that. Actually, no, I'm going to start in with the Cafe Tinto, this one right here first. Just using that same Sigma brush. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh. That is so gorgeous. And now I'm deciding between the gold shade to go in the inner corner or this like creamy champagne shade. I don't know. they're both so pretty. Then there's this orangey shade too. Maybe I should do the orange shade. Yeah, I'm gonna do the orange shade. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. I can't. I'm telling you, you guys, MAC is making a comeback. They're like on it again between the Tempting Fate collection and now this one. And their holiday collection looks amazing as well. The Hypnotizing collection. These shimmers are just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I do feel like the shimmers are just a little bit more, they just have a little more oomph if you go in with your finger. They're so beautiful though. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to just go a little bit underneath with this Azafran Creamy Matte shade underneath of the eye. I'm going to clean everything up, put on some lashes, and we'll be back to do the Skin Finish palette, which I am super excited, and the lippies. Okay, you guys, so now we're back for this palette right here. I'm super excited. So I think I'm just gonna go with my Sigma, what is this? The F10, and I'm going into this shade, and I'm just, oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow. This is giving me like Dior Backstage palette vibes. For sure. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna tap it on my, oh my goodness, so good. This is so good. I just can't get enough of this. So pretty, so sparkly. I mean, oh, okay, we're going in with the lippies now. I'm so excited about this collection. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the Aute Amplified Cream Lipstick first, because it is a lighter shade. Let me wipe everything off. Make sure there's nothing on my lips. Oh. That is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. I don't even want to put the other one on. I should have started out with the liquid lipstick. All right, I'm going to take this off. We're going to put this one on, the liquid lip, in Jalea Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. Here we go with that one. Ooh, that's really pretty too. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are both so good. I feel like this is like the perfect nude color for fall, actually. Just gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I think I like the, I don't know, which one do you guys like better? Let me know down in the comments below which lip one the pink lipstick or the liquid lip. Which one do you like better? I think I'm gonna put the other one back on for our final thoughts on this collection. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is our final look, and I am like, woohoo, MAC! Like, oh my goodness. I feel like they're doing a comeback, you guys. I absolutely love everything in this collection. I don't even know. I'm trying to think of stars of the show here. I mean, the palette is gorgeous. Okay, so this palette is like that perfect neutral glittery, glitzy sort of vibe. Like this is perfect for the holidays, perfect for that first date, blind date, where you want to look like, you know, you're sort of dolled up, but you don't want to look too extra, and you want him to go away thinking like, wow, her eyes, what was on her eyes? Like those mesmerizing eyes. That is this palette. Is it a little bit small? And do I want one darker shade? Yes. I normally would not like shades like this, but it actually is a very beautiful shade that if you wore it on the lid, I think it would look good even on medium to dark skin tones. All of these shadows worked absolutely beautifully. The price point is a little bit up there, but I do think it's worth it. I really do think that it's so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of like, I don't even know, Pat McGrath quality almost, like Pat McGrath mixed with NARS. It's so beautiful. It is such a beautiful shadow palette. I do like that it's small and compact. So, I mean, can we just like stop for a second and just, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Plus, again, I think anybody can get away with wearing this. Older, medium, you know, mature skin, younger, perfect for the holidays. Rosalia did a fantastic job curating and picking out these shades and co-creating this collection. It's just beautiful, job well done all the way around. Beautiful, beautiful collection. Something anybody would love, quite honestly. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today and hanging out with me today to discover this new MAC Haute Couture. I hope I'm saying that now the right way. All right, so thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.